Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you care about keeping your family safe and maybe laughing a little along the way, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. Today we're diving into a must-have gadget for every home, the Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector 4-pack. It's smart, reliable, and just might save your life. Plus, I'll show you why it's the best one you can get on Amazon. Let's get into it. If your idea of fire safety is sniffing the air and saying, "Does something smell funny?" It's time for a reality check. Meet your new best friend, the Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector, a battery-powered lifesaver that doesn't sleep, doesn't snore, and will scream at you if things go sideways. In a good way. This mighty little gadget isn't just your average beep machine. It's a two-in-one marvel that alerts you to both smoke and carbon monoxide. Yes, the silent invisible doom gas. And it does it all in one tidy, white, disc-shaped superhero that you can easily mount with zero electrical degree required. Just twist, click, and boom. You're now 38% closer to being a responsible adult. Why is it necessary? Because breathing is kinda important. Let's be real, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are like health insurance. You don't think you need them until, well, you really need them. But the Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector isn't just any detector. It uses enhanced sensing technology to cut down on those "oops, I just made toast" false alarms. No more flailing at the ceiling with a towel because your breakfast offended a smoke detector. This device is comprehensively tested to meet the latest UL and FCC standards. Translation? It's smarter than the average alarm and probably smarter than half your group chat. Why this one? Because it's better than the rest, duh. Sure, Amazon is flooded with smoke and CO detectors, but do those other guys come in a 4-pack, work on AA batteries, and have a 10-year warranty? Didn't think so. Kidde's model is not only sleek and lightweight, but it also tells you how it feels via 3 LED indicators. Green, all's good, party on. Amber, something's not quite right. Red, move, now. And with a booming 85 decibel alarm, you'll definitely know when it's time to evacuate, even if you're halfway into a dream about Chris Hemsworth handing you waffles. Extra features that'll make you say, "Wow, that's neat." Test and hush button. Tap to make sure it's working, or to quiet down when it's being a little overprotective. Low battery chirp. Annoying? Yes. Necessary? Absolutely. Think of it as a nagging friend that actually saves your life. Humidity. Resistant. From dry winters to humid summers, this baby keeps performing. Photoelectric and electrochemical sensors. That's science talk for super accurate at detecting real danger. If you like living, breathing, and not having your eyebrows singed off, the Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector is a no-brainer. It's affordable, easy to install, full of high-tech features, and honestly better than most of your exes. Plus, with a 10-year limited warranty, this little guy is committed to you longer than most Netflix series. So go ahead, protect your home, get peace of mind, and enjoy some laughs along the way. Because fire safety doesn't have to be boring. If you made it this far, congratulations, you officially care about fire safety. Smash that like button if you learned something, hit subscribe if you want more honest and sometimes hilarious reviews, and drop a comment if you've got this detector or any other product you want me to check out. The Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector is linked below if you're ready to upgrade your home's safety game. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and don't burn the toast.